Hi there, my name's Luke, and I am a guy who's really into my cars. I love my classic minis, I love the Escorts, I love new cars, I love everything. Anything just to do with cars, racing them, everything. On this channel, it's all about cars, as you can already tell. Um, I'm doing two projects at the moment. I'm doing a classic mini engine swap with a G13B, which is a Suzuki Swift GDI engine, and I'm going to do lots of modifications and new parts just to modify it to make sure it fits and make it look good and more JDM sort of style and all that sort of thing. So if you're into that, watch along, have a little look, see what I'm doing. If you want to learn, comment. That's what I do. I'm also making another car. Basically, it's a rally car. It's a 1975 Mark III Classic Mini, and that one's going to have a A-Series engine at 998, about 70-75 horsepower, so pretty tuned. I had a lot of engine work on that. I'll video that, or the process of that, so if you want to come along and watch that, see what I do with it, how I get that amount of horsepower from the engine, how reliable it is, sort of thing. You might see me racing in it one day, hopefully, when it gets finished. All that sort of thing, all the work that's involved. I've already actually started the car, so that'd be really cool. A little bit about me. So my name is Luke Clackwibby, from England, United Kingdom, from Somerset. I moved to New Zealand when I was 7 years old with my parents, my family. We moved here, just different lifestyle sort of thing. Ask my parents more about that, but that's how it is. Um, I'm mad into cars. My dad's got me into minis. He used to have a mini himself, with an A series Metro Turbo in it. It was awesome. We used to enjoy it every time we go in that car. I smile. It was so much fun, and it sort of brought me into this concept of wanting a mini. My first car, I want a mini. I want a mini, so I got one, and so I've now got two, and I can't stop. I want another one. I want another one. So yeah, I also like lots of other cars. I like sport, like football and sort of thing. But the main reason I'm doing this channel is to help me express what I can do with cars, and hopefully you guys will learn something from me, and you might want to do something yourself, make you want to tinker away. I mean, I'm only 17, I'm not very old, but it makes you feel like you want to join in. You might want to do something as well, and learn something. You might learn something by watching me. And yeah, this channel is about cars and restoration mostly, and showing you what I'm doing to the cars, how I'm doing it, why I'm doing it. There'll be explanations if you want, if that's what you guys want. I just do it personally on what you guys want. Um, there'll be different mods to the car, so like how I think it is. I might ask you guys a question like, oh, what do you guys think of this better, this or that or that or this? So you guys can comment and see what my car helps them design, or the what it's gonna look like at the end, like sort of thing. And I'll show you guys what I build, and I'll show you some tips and what I pay for and how much money this costs, how much money that costs. I am in New Zealand currently, so the monthly I'll have to probably just try and work it out in my brain, or some sort of conversion thing, but that's right. Um, and yeah, sort of just there will still be new cars as well. I've done a few engines on petrol engines of like Astina, Mazda Astina 323, and a couple of little cars I've done with that, my dad in the past and stuff. So I've got a little bit of experience. I'm still a bit of a novice. That's why I'm doing this channel, to help me build and get more experience, and also show you guys what you can do basically. And yeah, and if you guys want to do it yourself, then I can always help you along the journey. I can help explain. I'll comment every comment you guys leave, and yeah, it's really about it. So that's me. That's what I'm about. That's what I'm doing this channel. And also, this channel hopefully will help me buy more cars and about afford more parts, and I can do more projects, and you guys can see more things and learn more things from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video about me and what I want to do about my cars. I hope it's given you a little bit of information about what I wanted to do about this channel and how I want to set it up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you watch more videos about my channel. Thank you very much.